Hey guys, it's Philly's Funny Family, and I'm back with another video. So, today, Dino had a play date with one of his friends from school. And I was talking to the mother, and she says, I taught my son how to burp. And I'm like, what? What? I do that too on my YouTube. And they like it. So she says that I taught him how to burp, and his dad doesn't like it. And I'm like, well, I never taught my son how to burp yet, but I will. But bottom line is, she said she can say her alphabets up to the letter L. Y'all, she says she gets to the L and she can't go past it. So I was like, I never tried the alphabets and burps. So I figured, what's better than to turn my phone on and try a video? Trying to see how many alphabets I can say burping. You ready, Dino?
No.
Dino doesn't think I can do it past L. So we're going to try.
I think you would try to be really rude.
That is not rude.
Let's teach her how to go up, all the way.
I'm going to start because a burp was already ready to come out. I should have used that as A. Anyway. Let's see how far we can go in the alphabet. A. B. C. D. E. F. G.
I.
H. I. J. Came out, but I messed up on my K. I'm gonna do it again. Okay. I'm gonna start getting the burp. Start getting the hiccups, so.
Hey, you're starting over.
I'm not starting over again. I said I'm trying to do K. Hold on, guys. And that's not soda, it's juice. But I had the hiccups, so. Okay. And she says she only got the L. I can go past L.
Why? That's not better.
L. Why? Because I'm going past her?
You're not better.
M.
You're not better.
E.
I'm telling you, Flora.
O. P. Q. I said P. O. S. A. U. A.
My hair hurt. My nose stuffy. Everything.
W. X. Y. Z. Now,
But do I have fever?
next time,
Do I have fever?
who wants to try me? I did the whole alphabet, so.
Do I have fever?
In less than 5 minutes, and over, so.
fever?
No, you don't. You don't.
You don't feel
I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try.
you are?
See, you feel warm, but sorry guys, I got sidetracked. This little kid's trying to say he's sick.
I don't want to be sick.
Good way to stay home from school tomorrow, but ain't happening here.
I don't want to get sick. I want to see my city. I don't want to get sick.
You got a new girlfriend every week. So anyway, next time someone else can try to do the whole alphabets and burps. Comment down below if you like the burps, and I will keep on trying new ones. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. And subscribe
Don't you even think about doing it
for more.
prank with me.
Love you all. And remember, always, always, always keep God first. Love yourself. And then you can love others.